Morning guys, it is September 4th, 2023. This one I got a call from a lady. Her AC shut off last night. She says the outside unit's not running. And she said she shut it off last night. She's calling me today. And she wants to know if I can go by there.
Take the ramp on the right to I-195 East toward New Bedford.
See if I can fix it for her. She said I was there a couple of years ago. Who knows? Hopefully it's something simple, Mama. We can fix it for her and she can get AC again. Hopefully. We'll find out. We'll find out.
Take the ramp on the right.
Noise too. You know
Screeching?
And the top, I found this here. This was hot.
Okay.
Last night, so I shut that.
All right. Let me open it up and look inside first before we do anything. This was hot, huh?
Oh yeah. And that was making a squeaky noise.
Squeaking noise?
Yeah, so I went down and shut the thing off downstairs.
Okay. Oh, you shut it off in the basement. The breaker? Or the thermostat?
On the boiler.
On the furnace?
Yeah, on the furnace.
Okay. Sometimes it's simple. We'll see. Let's hope it's simple. Keep shit complicated. Make my life easy. Ooh, this is different screws. What kind of screw is that? Oh, that's a... Well, it's good you shut it off. You didn't keep it running.
No, it was making, yeah, because it was like heating up, and I said, well...
Oh, it's heating up? Yeah.
Well, I don't know, I had my hand on top. You know what I mean?
And it was hot?
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it heard like a little bit, something like that.
Little, yeah, all right. There might be capacitors.
Then I went down and shut it off.
All right, let's take a look. Let's see what the hell's going on here in this thing. These aren't the right screws. Sometimes the wires burn. Wires are all connected. It wasn't running. It wasn't running. It was just making noises.
At first it was running.
It was running.
Yeah.
Let me check the capacitor.
It got real hot, and then
Let me check the
it
capacitor.
was making a noise like squirting or something like that. And
Open line. Look at the bad capacitor there. Look at the bad capacitor. Yeah, capacitor's no good. Oh. Alright, so I got the power off. She's got it. No, she's got it calling inside. No, the power's off here, so. Live and learn, right? Dum. Alright, so it's off. Alright, so that's what, a 35.5. No, that's a 40-5. Alright, so this thing doesn't look all puffy, but she's a problem. She's a problem child. So let's take it apart.
I think the last time you said it was old anyway or something.
Say that again?
I think the last time you said it was old anyway, the boilers, I don't know.
No, the whole thing is old. There ain't no doubt about that, yeah. But so are you, but you're still kicking, right? It's a little puffy there. See how puffy it is? That's what the problem is. You're old. You're still kicking, aren't you?
Well, hey.
Shit, yeah.
Just about.
All right, that's a 40-5. That's what I got there. Huh?
I shouldn't say just about. Hey, I'm 83.
Well, that ain't bad, guy.
You know?
All right, so we'll do the 4-3-2 prong. There, I got the power off. I don't get zapped anymore. Yellow is the compressor. Yeah, the capacitor's bad. I don't know, these things, they don't seem to last.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's like anything else, you know. It's like flipping light bulbs. They don't. How come they don't make a light bulb to last?
Yeah, well,
The same thing with these flipping capacitors. They don't seem to last too long. It's like a flipping light bulb. Same shit.
Some of those light bulbs now, well, the other ones, they're like 5,000 hours.
I don't know. These things, they don't seem to last for shit, to me, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
Well, how long's it been since I've been here? A couple of years.
A couple of years, yeah, right.
And it lasted for 2 years. It seems like that's what they last in a couple of years, and
Or maybe it was 3, I don't know.
then they die. All right, let's see if it works now. These wires are... I must have touched that brown wire to the fan. There must have been 110 going to that fan. So let's see if it starts. Should start now if I put the power to it and push that button in.
Yeah, but I got it.
You got it off downstairs? See how this thing's rocking and rolling, how puffy it is?
Oh,
Looks like my eyes in the morning. Why, you think that's funny? It's dead. I just wonder if the compressor side's dead. The compressor side's dead too. Yeah. It's like my eyes in the morning, a little puffy. Alright, so should start now, I think. Go turn it on. Go turn it on down cellar.
Yeah. And
turn it on upstairs.
Yeah, turn
the air conditioner on. Let's see if it runs.
Alright.
It should start, but I'm gonna see, ready? He's got it off at the breaker. Must have it off at the breaker or something. I'm surprised it ain't running. That's bad. Well, it won't surprise me. Alright, it should work now. Hopefully.
Turned it on and that. And the upstairs it turned on.
Did you shut the breaker off on the panel? No, I think this breaker's bad since I just shut it off. They're not uncommon. These things are junk.
And on the thing when I put the boiler on,
Yeah.
everything was like green, but like the bunch of lights there, it showed like an orange or I don't know, yellow.
Let's see if I got power coming in. It could be this breaker's bad. These things, as soon as you shut them off, they go woke on you. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Going to woke on you. I don't know whether the thing's working or not. No voltage. Unless the breaker tripped. I tripped the breaker. $240. I got $240 coming in. Nothing 58 going out. Not enough. Well, we got a problem. Got a bad breaker. Wait a minute. Let's see. Oh, we got 240 going out. Let's see if we got 240. Maybe it's the... Might be on delay. I got 240. But she's not starting. It's kind of weird. I got 240 now. Let's see if it works now. We'll push in the thing. Alright, it's working now. This thing they're problematic. It's just on delay right now. Fucking, I hate these things. These Square D's are nothing but junk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you figure that's supposed to be a good name, right? Square D?
Yeah.
Nothing but pieces of shit.
Yeah, it's been around a while.
Yeah, things junk. As soon as you shut them off, there's a problem getting them back on, and you know.
Yeah.
So how's the wife doing?
Well, after 2 knees and now it's 2 shoulders, she still got the 2 shoulders. And she just had that thing cut out because they did that shoulder.
She had a new shoulder put in?
Yeah. And then...
She's gonna need a brain transplant pretty soon, no?
Right, yeah.
You know what you think?
Then, of course, we got to go down next week to that breast thing. They checked that, they found something,
So you got the thermostat up, you got the AC turned on upstairs, it's just probably off on delay.
I turned it on, yeah.
Turned it on and turned it down, the AC, so it's gonna run.
Yeah.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
You turned the thermostat down.
Yeah, because it's up to 81.
Yeah. So would you put it on? It'll go put it on 72, the thermostat on. Put it on cooling or put it on 72 so this thing runs.
All right.
I want this thing to run.
All right. 72.
Yeah, put it down. Your wife might have shut it off. Make sure it's on cooling, and it should be on like a delay, you know? I'm just gonna put this cover on and we should be good. The capacitor was bad. I got a couple of screws loose here, Mama. Oh yeah, I got a couple of screws loose. I've got some extra screws here. These things are problematic. It was a problem. It's gonna run now. There it goes. It's a runner, Mama. I have to stop at Goodman. Nice hot air coming out of it. That's what we want. Nice and sweaty. Things shaking like me on the day of my divorce. You know?